topic is equations of the circles. Now, how in the different mode we are just explaining the equations. Number one is standard form. I have written here standard form. Now, basically what is a standard form? This is a circle drawn here on a graph, okay, with a fixed point C and P on a circle. So, how we have we are going to give the equation of this circle. Now, let the center of a circle be at a fixed point C with coordinates of the center as h comma k. H comma k are the coordinates of the center. Fixed point C and length of the radius B R. Now, a point P x comma y, point P I have mentioned here, point P with the coordinates x comma y is a moving point on a circle. Now, by definition, of circle, this point is, this distance is r, okay. So, now by definition of a circle, what we are having, Cp is equal to r. Cp is, now here we are going to use coordinate geometry distance formula for Cp. Now, that is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r, okay, using the distance formula. Now, squaring both sides, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So, this is the equation of a circle. This is the equation of a circle and this is called what? Standard form.